Hi teachers, today I want to show you a faster way to create a safe URL. In my last tutorial, I taught you how to create a safe URL using a third-party website. Now, I have learned a faster way and I want to share it with you. So to create this safe URL that is distraction-free for your YouTube videos that you are going to be assigning, you are going to go right to the URL. You're going to go after the word watch. You are going to add two things. You're going to add underscore and pop-up. You're going to copy and paste this new URL, and I'm going to click and return so that you can see what happens. And you're going to hit play, and when I go at the beginning, there are no ads, and at the end, you're going to see that nothing plays. Now this does pop up, but when you are done, it doesn't go to that playlist. You don't want to use this copy link because that's for the original video. So now we're going to assign this in Seesaw. You should know how to do this. You're going to hit plus, post didn't work, and I'm doing this through Journal. And you want to make sure that your URL has this underscore pop-up. You hit check, check again, all students, check. And now it has been uploaded. I'm going to hit play, and you'll see the same thing come up. No distractions in the beginning. I'll hit play, and you're going to see nothing comes up at the end. Now, with our other website, this did not show up, but this is a much faster way. I hope you found this useful.